Magic Bullet is known for their fantastic blenders, and they just came out with this brand new combo blender, so let's unbox it and put it to the test. Now here's what you get. This is the main blender base. It has 3 speed functions, and it has suction feet on the bottom so it won't move when put in place. It sticks right down, stays solid. And then you get your cross blade. This is the same blade that will work for the large pitcher and the small pitcher. You just twist it right into the bottom and you're good to go. So that is the large pitcher. It also comes with this great top that has a silicone seal so it really holds into place beautifully. And you can twist off the top to add things right into it while it is blending, and it has this great pull handle to pop it right off. And it also has a spout so you can pour right out of this pitcher. It just fits right in and you're ready to go. Now, if you want to do a personal drink, you can swap out this base, put it onto your personal blender, and you got a standard Magic Bullet ready to go. And when you're finished blending, you can take this top off, drink straight from the cup, or add on this to-go top that's leak-proof and has a nice large spout. So really simple and also easy to care for. All these pieces are dishwasher safe. They do recommend putting them only in the top part of your dishwasher, so you might want to wash this with soap and water if it doesn't fit, but the rest of this should be able to fit in your top drawer of your dishwasher with no issue for really easy cleaning. Let's put it to the test. So it has 3 blend modes, low, pulse, and high. With pulse, you just hold this down until you're ready for it to stop. Now here's my standard smoothie: banana, strawberry, protein powder. It's all clean and ready to go. I kept the liquid below the line, but as you can see, I pushed it a little bit, which I probably shouldn't. I can't help myself. Just stick that on. You want to make sure it snaps into place, and then it's ready to go. And now for this one, I'm going to hold pulse, see how that goes. That blends beautifully, really nice to use that. Some of my strawberries are stuck because they're frozen against the wall. So I'm gonna put it to high and just see how well it does. And it does turn off on its own if you leave it that long. I was just watching it to see how well it was doing, but it did turn off when it was ready. So that is good to go. I would say the noise is roughly the same as my 2 other blenders. I have a Silvio and NutriBullet blenders, and they all sound about the same. Let's give it a taste. Perfectly blended, fantastic. And what I love most about this is it's not just a personal blender like my other 2, it's a full blender as well. This is a really nice combo blender that I am definitely going to be using moving forward. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender is fantastic.